How to change profile picture on Tumblr. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you guys how you can easily add a new profile picture on your Tumblr account. First off, go ahead and open your web browser and then tap on the search bar, go to tumblr.com, and make sure to log into your account. Once you are logged in, just go ahead and click on this account icon at the bottom, click on the drop down, and then from here you're just going to have to manage your accounts. So you go to settings. And once your settings is open, you'll find the account section, but you won't see an option to add a profile picture here. So what you're going to have to do is simply go to your account and then from here, go to your main blog. Now, once you do that, go to blog settings. And here you can add your profile picture if you want. From this page, you're going to have to click on edit appearances. And then you can click on this pencil icon to choose a photo. You want to show avatar or you just want this to disappear, that's totally up to you. But let's just click on choose a photo and you can choose a picture from here. So let me just go ahead and select this picture. And once you're done, click on save. And now you successfully changed your profile picture on Tumblr. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If so, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.